first one of the day. New client with his lovely little Yamaha XSR. This is in for one of our full Monty Valets. Never had it professionally cleaned. See if we can do something with that exhaust on the front of there. It's pretty good shape, to be honest with you. I've seen a lot worse. Let's get these wheels all minted up. Get a bit of XCP corrosion protection on it. I think he's getting ready to do a trip, so he wants a little bit of protection on it. Get all that old chain loop off there. We'll lube that up, get it all serviced, get it looking like it should. Give me a couple hours. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Yamaha XSR has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty Valets. Nice little coating of XCP corrosion protection, extra polishing of that exhaust. Look at those headers have come up like new, all up underneath. All your collector box has been polished. Touched up a little rusty weld there with some paint. They always go rusty there. What else do we do to this? Painted the side stand, all the chains been degreased, blow dried, re-lubed, all the wheels, calipers, discs, all been meticulously cleaned. All your suspension linkages have had a nice little brushing of XCP. Plastics have been dressed, just a little polish on that windscreen. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.